Alright everybody, I'm going to show you, there's Dave's place up there. The wuss layer is back on the backside of there. Here comes Johnson down the hill.
Slow poke is coming down the hill.
Slow poking it down. Here's the creek with the water coming, and we're going to be heading down here to see the waterfall. We figured since the water is really rolling good and we had a lot more rain today, I knew this would be a good time to see this waterfall in full action. Now, right down here, you can see that spot there. That's where the waterfall starts. So we're gonna come, just trying to think the best way to go down. Yeah, right? Now you can see that water's flowing through here. It's all a downward angle through here, but like I said, then we hit the waterfall over here. I think we'll follow that tree down so we have something to grab onto. Where is he?
He's back there.
Oh, I'm like, where'd he go? Yeah, we'll kick down through this spot over here. So this whole area here used to be an old logging road. I think we're gonna get this spot up here. I was thinking there, but that looks like it might be pretty slick.
Go
right down through here.
sideways through there to there and then go down that way. It tends to be easier to go sideways than it does to go straight down.
Well, we're gonna find out. Yeah, this one's, I would not grab this one, watch. There we go. Yeah, that one's not gonna be a good one. Guys, I'm taking my time trying to go down through here so I don't fall, because we don't want to do that. Screw you, Rob.
Come on, Grandpa.
Yeah, I got your grandpa. All right. Man, that water's really going over there too. Alright, let me just kind of show you that for a minute. We're going to get down below it so you can see everything really well. And I have to remember to take some pictures that I can post, because every time I come down here and do this, I always end up forgetting to take pictures so that I can post them on Facebook so people can see how awesome this waterfall is. Now, the reason I don't come down here often, because when you do come down here to get good, flow of the waterfall, it's usually been very, very wet, and it's slick, and it's not super safe. Watch out, Hello Girl. Alright. So I'm going to show you, Rob, would you hold on to those for a second? So here comes a waterfall down through here. It's got the other part here. We're going to go a little bit below so you can see that too. But then it continues to travel downhill. So, but this is the spot here. I mean, that's raging pretty good through here. It's actually beautiful. I hope you guys can hear me because of the water, but it is absolutely beautiful to be watching this. And I got Miss Hella's got to be right by me, of course. So. We are definitely going to be building something over here down the road so that we can come down, even if we have to rope off a way down. Just traveling on down through, and then it works its way all the way down. I mean, it's a long, where we're at, guys, I mean, it is a vertical up here that's it's absolutely crazy. So you can kind of see why I was taking my time, and that's just to get to that logging road. The logging road is here, and then it goes uphill the other way as well. So like coming out of here, coming down here is bad enough, but when we come up out of here, we got to be really, really careful. But I just wanted to share this with you. I mean, how many people can say they have a waterfall on their property? You know, so that's pretty neat in my opinion. Hey Rob, let's go tubing. Yeah. Yeah, you go tubing over that, it's not going to end well. But very, very beautiful. And there's Hella again. Now she's on the other side. But yeah, I love this. This is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys have appreciated this video. Kind of show you the beauty that's out here. It's just beautiful, and the power of Mother Nature is incredible. So, all right guys, I'm gonna just do a couple more minutes of this, well, a few more seconds I guess, and then I'm gonna jump off, and I hope y'all are having a great day. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.